Happy Tuesday, scholars! Today we're going to continue our exploration of space and cool things about it with this article, How to Make Moon Cycles with an Orange. Ooh. I'm super excited to work on this article with you guys, as well as give you to do a cool science experiment at home. Let's get started. Turning your packets to this page right here, How to Make Moon Cycles with an Orange. All right, now that we have our packets out and ready, let's go over some vocabulary. The first vocabulary word that we're going to go over today is appeared. What word, guys? Nice. Appear means to look or be seen as. The next word is phase. What word, scholars? Nice. Phase. A period or stage in a series of stages or periods. So that means just a step in the process, right? So, for instance, in what we're talking about today, we're talking about phases of the moon, which is when the moon changes its appearance. It happens in 4 stages or 4 phases. All right, the next word is solar. Solar means of the sun. Lastly, we have the word lunar. Lunar means of the moon. Let's start reading. The moon seems to change shape each night. Is it really changing? Of course not. The moon does not change shape. It appears to change because it is moving. Our planet is moving too. Earth moves around the sun. The moon moves around Earth. As Earth moves, the amount of light that we see bouncing off the moon's surface changes. It varies from day to day. This is what creates the phases of the moon. To understand these changes, you can do an experiment. It is very simple. All you need is a lamp and an orange. We learned a lot in that little part of our passage, right? So let's break down the knowledge that we've gained. We just learned that the earth moves around the sun and that the moon moves around the earth. Another word to say that something moves around something is orbit. So I could say earth orbits the sun and the moon orbits earth. We also learned that as earth and the moon move around or orbit, we experience on earth different amounts of light. Let's keep reading. Background. On Earth, we see the moon go through its phases. The full cycle takes around 29.5 days. During this time, the appearance of the moon in the sky changes, so the look of the moon in the sky changes. It starts as a new moon. It is almost hidden in the sky. Then it seems to grow. First, you will see just a skinny sliver of moon. Sliver is a word that means a small, tiny piece. The sliver will get bigger. After 2 weeks, you will see a round, bright moon. This is called a full moon. Then the moon will seem to shrink again. What causes these phases? They result from changing positions of the moon and Earth as they go around the sun. Sometimes the moon lines up directly on the other side of Earth from the sun. Earth sits between the moon and sun. When this happens, Earth casts a shadow. It throws darkness over the moon. This is called a lunar eclipse. What is it called? Wonderful. It does not happen every time there is a full moon. The positions of Earth and the moon have to be just right. Usually the moon passes under or above Earth's shadow. Another kind of eclipse is called a solar eclipse. That is when the moon lines up directly between Earth and the sun. Then the moon casts a shadow on Earth. It blocks the sunlight. Solar eclipses do not happen every month either. Earth is usually below or above the moon's shadow. Great, scholars! We've just finished our reading. So before we start diving into our experiment, I want you guys to go ahead and flip to the next page, which is your response page, how to make moon cycles with an orange. I want you to do all the questions except for 4. If you choose to do the experiment, you may go back and finish question 4. So, grab an orange and let's go. First, ask your parents and make sure you have their permission, and also ask them if they could help you. And then go ahead and get started with the experiment. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys do with a lamp and an orange. If you decide to do the experiment, please take some pictures and let us see them. Have a great day, scholars.